Here we go. Group break number 3077, Tier 1, Case 1. There are your teams. We're going to random for the Angels. If you have 3 or more teams, your entries are doubled for LA. Here we go. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. C. Taylor for the Angels. 3 times. Congrats. And let me go bump the last thing up right now. What's up, Sean? Good to see you, brother. See you found YouTube. That seems to be these days the most stable place to watch. But welcome, man. If you have any questions, just let me know. And good luck. All right, here we go. Tier 1 baseball. Oh. All right, 12 boxes. Let's get after it. Yeah, I would almost recommend everyone, even if you're on Facebook, to go sign up for a YouTube account and start becoming familiar with that, just because it seems to be light years ahead. Stream quality and chat and everything's very clean for me. Well, that's a nice start. Number to 70 for the Cincinnati Reds, autographed Johnny Bench. Steve McCauley. Nice Johnny Bench. And number to 25. Wow, Cincy back-to-back. Tyler is it Maley? I think it's Maley. Rookie auto. To 25. This is what the Ohtani, that redemption we pulled earlier, will look like. And Josh Harrison for Pittsburgh to 335. Tudor. Jersey. Nice. Devers. Number to 245, rookie auto for Boston. Numb. For Pittsburgh, Starling Marte. Number to 275, autograph. Tudor. And to 335 for Baltimore, Adam Jones, relic. Sean. That is yours. This one feels heavy. Might just be one of those with 4 hits. Yep. I think the ones that have a multi-relic, a dual relic, have an extra single relic. For the Cubbies to 25, Javier Baez. Emnum. Copper Ink. Tier 1 talent auto. For the Diamondbacks, Anthony Banda to 275 rookie auto. Carl. That's the guy who got me in trouble in Arizona. To 335 for Boston, Drew Pomeranz. Emnum. Oh, shoot. Aaron Nola for the Phillies. Nasty patch and jersey. Tudor. 1 of 25, Aaron Nola. Good looking card for Philly. Well, that's nice too. Drew Pomeranz, the 25. Jersey Prime Auto for Boston. Numb. Next, Austin Hayes for Baltimore, rookie auto to 275. Sean. Hey, Hayes. And Chris Sale for the Red Sox, jersey. Numb. Yankees and Red Sox. Whew. Everywhere in this. Ian Happ to 270 for the Cubs. Numb. Drew Pomeranz is the third one to 275. All different cards too for Boston. Next, for the Cubs, Wilson Contreras to 335. And filler team, hey Tudor, 12 of 50, Honus Wagner bat relic for the Pirates. Wagner to 50. Oh, shut up. Oh my God. We might have an absolute monster here. Oh, please tell me this is what I think it is. Please. Oh my. Oh man. I hope that isn't like dilute it down to where like we'll see. It's a pretty fat card though, so I think it might be. Oh my gosh. If this is what I think it is, or this could be one of the biggest cards we've ever pulled. One of. Frank Thomas to 80 for the White Sox. B. Broche. Oh man, I'm getting a little nervous here. Okay, Jose Canseco. I hope it's got ink on it if it is. Number to 285 for Oakland. If there's no ink, it's still insane. If there's ink, it's, oh boy. Next for the Yankees, the 335. Jose Canseco, did I say who that was for? Tequin. Yankees 335, Betances. Oh boy. Try to see where the numbering's at. Well, crap, I don't see numbering anywhere. So we're just going to roll with it. I don't know. It could be huge. It could be like just a decent hit. Okay. Oh, there's the numbering. Tier 1. 1 of 1. Oh, man. It smells fishy in here. Mike Trout bat knob, 1 of 1. Boom. C. Taylor, we give the Angels away for free in here. That is yours. Boom. Filthy. Wow. So freaking cool. It's got a Anderson Authentics 1158 on it. Wow. Ink would have been awesome, but that's a beautiful card. That's a beautiful card. We'll see how long it takes for Facebook to catch up to that. I think they're about to see it because on my phone I see the card before the Trout. Yep, Facebook just saw it. Just saw it. Yes. Yes. All the little reaction things go off on Facebook so late. All right, here we go. Number 275, Luke Weaver for the Cardinals. Donald. Autograph of Luke Weaver. And Christian Arroyo for the Giants at 275. Tudor. C. Taylor, congrats. Congrats. And Craig Kimbrell to 335 for the Boston Red Sox. And both cases so far have had a 1-on-1. Michael Fulmer, numbered 1 of 62 for the Detroit Tigers. Ogolad, jersey auto. Next, for Tampa Bay, Blake Schnell, number 275, autograph. Carl. And Starlin Castro, number 335 for the Yankees. Numb. For the Yankees, numb to 90. Tier 1 talent auto, Andy Pettit. Andy Pettit for the Yanks. And for the Yankees behind it, Dylan Betances, number 295. Andrew Miller to 335. For the Cleveland Indians, Carl. Rise Hoskins, the 295 for Philly. Rookie autograph. Tudor. Very nice hit. Filler team. Drew Pomeranz, the 250 for Boston. Emnum, you got the whole rainbow of Pomeranz. And for the Yankees, Luis Severino, the 400. Jersey. Robles for the Nationals. Rookie auto to 250. Allen. The Nelson Lament for San Diego to 275. El Galad. Auto. And number to 335 for the Royals. Salvador Perez. Frankie. Salvi for Kansas City. And last box, another freaking loaded case for tonight. We've got one more to go. Case of Tier 1 is almost full. So check that out. As you can see, I mean, like, any team can hit across the board. Man, and it's actually really spread out. Boston's dominated, but that's really the only team that's been just smoking. Jose Berrios, number to 285 for the Minnesota Twins. M. Hancock. Next, Tim Beckham for the Baltimore Orioles to 265. Sean. And last hit to 335. Chris Archer for the Tampa Bay Rays. Carl. Guys, case 1, group break number 3077. Tier 1 baseball. There you have it.